Dear investors, I'm Joshua Tan, Head of Research. On Monday, 24th of June, we initiated coverage on Amara Holdings, which we think is undervalued in terms of both its existing operating assets and certainly does not factor in a clear growth pipeline of new operating assets. Amara has a luxury hotel in Sentosa, plus a business hotel, shopping mall and office podium mixed development in the prime Tanjong Pagar area of Singapore. These assets have had a facelift which depressed earnings last year, but we see normalization of that this year. These assets are valued by us at around 80 to 90 cents per share net of debt. At current price of 57 cents, represents a 36% discount to RNAV for these local assets. Furthermore, Amara has a business hotel in Thailand that is scheduled for operation in 2014 and a hotel retail mall office mixed development in Shanghai scheduled for 2015, which could add another 33 cents to RNAV to take the RNAV to $1.23, which at current price of 57 cents certainly does not factor in the future pipeline of these assets. Our target price is set at a conservative 74 cents or 40% discount to RNAV to reflect overseas operation risk. Please read our report and poems research for more details. Thank you for watching and tune in next week to Phillip Securities Research Weekly Market Commentary.